start today's episode, these are the 5 ScienceKwela tips for you to remember to keep your back, neck, and eyes healthy while indulging in some screen time. This is Teacher Jai's healthy tips for every ScienceKwelan. Number 1. Sit properly. Sit so you're well supported. Your back should be touching the chair backrest. Number 2. Change your position regularly. If you are watching for long periods, take turns sitting on the couch, chair, or floor. Number 3. Keep dim lighting on in the room rather than no lighting. Strong or no lighting may lead to eye damage over time. Number 4. Stretch. Give yourself a break to change positions to get off and walk around and to do gentle stretches. Number 5. Don't watch gadgets in bed, as these often leads to neck and back ache. And remember, you can play or pause this video whenever necessary. You can always go back or revisit any portion of this video lesson. There! You're now ready to begin! Hello ScienceKwelans! It's me, Teacher Jai, your companion to your wondrous science adventures. Learn everything under the sun because here in Alang-Alang National High School, Grade 9 Science is fun. So buckle up and get ready to challenge your mind. This is ScienceKwela! You have previously learned that volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock called magma. Magma is a semi-liquid rock, crystallized minerals, dissolved gases, extremely hot liquid form found beneath the surface of the earth. Remember, oxygen and silicon are the most abundant element present in magma. Geologists therefore define magma in terms of the silica and gas content, viscosity, and temperature. Do you still remember the 3 major types of volcanoes based on their shape and structure? What type of volcano is demonstrated in this video? The simplest, most common type of volcano and has a characteristic of a cone shape is a cinder cone volcano. This volcano can be as high as 100 to 400 meters, which emits volcanic ash during eruption. Let's have the second video. What type of volcano is shown? This type of volcano is characterized by a tall conical mountain composed of an alternating layer of lava flow, which justifies its name, composite volcano. Also known as stratovolcanoes, it can be up to 100 to 3,500 meters high, which emits both volcanic ash and lava during eruption. And finally, take a look at this video clip. What type of volcano is shown? The third video demonstrates a huge, gently sloped volcano that almost exclusively erupts basaltic lava and includes some of the largest volcanoes in the world. The shield volcano. They can be as high as 9,000 meters from the base, which emits lava during eruption. Well done, ScienceKwelans! I am impressed with your progress. For all the efforts that you do, I will give you a fantastic badge. To start today's lesson, let's have a short game. First, kindly prepare the following materials: pencil and a piece of paper. For this activity, we need to pass through 5 levels in order to reach the finish line. Once we get there, a treasure box awaits. Are you up for the challenge? In order to reach the finish line, help me reveal the mystery scrambled word. We only have 5 seconds to guess it correctly. Write down your answer in a piece of paper. Are you ready? ScienceKwelans, let's vault in! Level 1. What is the mystery word? You're on the right track! The mystery word is eruption. Level 2. What is the mystery word? You must have been practicing. The mystery word is phreatic. Level 3. What is the mystery word? You got it right! The mystery word is Hawaiian. Level 4. What is the mystery word? Awesome! The mystery word is Plinian. And the final level, what is the mystery word? Fantastic! The mystery word is Volcanian. Excellent work! We have reached the finish line. These are the mystery words that we were able to reveal in the activity. Eruption, phreatic, Hawaiian, Plinian, and Volcanian. How many mystery words were you able to reveal? Well done! If you got all 5, you just earned a super badge. ScienceKwelans, never forget to take note of the important details in a piece of paper. Remember, by taking down notes, you can easily remember our lesson. And now, kindly prepare the following materials: a piece of paper, pencil, and your self-learning module. Now that you are all set, take a look and observe this video. What does the video show? Awesome! This video shows the process of a volcanic eruption. I have here 6 statements. These are the events that take place in a volcanic eruption process. Enhanced formation of bubbles. Magma is ejected out as lava. When pressure exceeds the strength of overlying rocks, fracturing occurs, resulting to further drop in pressure. Magma is continuously heated below the Earth's surface. As magma rises, gas bubbles are developed. Pressure inside the volcano increases due to trapped bubbles within it. Heated magma goes up. Can you arrange the following events in the volcanic eruption process? I will give you 2 minutes to arrange these events in the process of volcanic eruption. Use number 1 to 6. Are you ready? Time starts now! Time is up! Let's arrange these events in correct order. Volcanic eruption process starts with first, magma is continuously heated below the Earth's surface. Second, heated magma goes up. Third, as magma rises, gas bubbles are developed. Pressure inside the volcano increases due to trapped bubbles within it. Fourth, when pressure exceeds the strength of overlying rocks, fracturing occurs resulting to further drop in pressure. Fifth, enhanced formation of bubbles. And finally, the sixth, magma is ejected out as lava. Good job! I'm impressed of your quick thinking. Volcanic eruption is a natural phenomenon which happens when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. And now, draw your attention in these figures. What do you think are these figures all about? Good job! Volcanoes erupt differently and are described according to these different styles of eruption. Multiple types of eruptions can occur in each volcano. The eruption type can vary minute to minute. The style of eruption depends on the number of factors including magma chemistry and content, temperature, viscosity, volume, how much water and gas it contains, the presence of groundwater, and the plumbing of the volcano. Taal Volcano is one of the 24 active volcanoes listed by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Located in Batangas, a province 60 kilometers south of Manila. Taal Volcano and the area around it have become one of the most frequented vacation spots in southern Luzon. Although Taal Volcano is classified as an active volcano, it hasn't erupted in 43 years or since 1977. But last year, Taal Volcano erupted in the afternoon of Sunday, January 12, 2020. The eruption was classified as phreatic eruption by the PHIVOLCS, which generated a plume of ash around 100 meters high. Phreatic eruption, also known as hydrothermal, is a steam-driven eruption that occurs when water beneath the ground or on the surface is heated by magma, lava, hot rocks, or new volcanic deposits. During phreatic eruptions, no new magma is produced. Only fragments of pre-existing solid rocks in the volcano are expelled. On the same day, the steam-driven series of blasts became a phreatomagmatic eruption, meaning that magma and water were violently and explosively mixing. Phreatomagmatic explosions can send ash and debris into the air. Volcanic earthquakes may be able to cause structural damage, and the appearance of new fissures can damage roads and houses. Another types of eruptions are called Strombolian and Hawaiian. These are the least violent types of explosive eruptions. Hawaiian eruptions have fire fountains and lava flows, whereas Strombolian eruptions are periodic weak to violent eruption characterized by fountain of lava. Next volcanic type of eruption is Volcanian. These are small to moderate explosive eruptions lasting seconds to minutes, characterized by tall eruption columns that reach up to 20 kilometers high with pyroclastic flow and ashfall tephra. Plinian eruptions are excessively explosive and largest type of volcanic eruptions. These are characterized with a high rate of magma discharge sustained for minutes to hours, just like the 1991 Mount Pinatubo eruption, which remained the world's largest volcanic eruption to happen in the past 100 years. Did you know that 24 historically active volcanoes are distributed all over the Filipino archipelago? In the mapping of the Philippine vulnerability to environmental disasters by the Manila Observatory and the Department of Environment and Natural Resources shows the provinces at risk to volcanic activities. These are the top 10 provinces at risk to volcanic eruptions: Camiguin, Sulu, Biliran, Albay, Bataan, Sorsogon, South Cotabato, Laguna, Camarines Sur, and Batanes. You might wonder that Camiguin Island ranked the highest risk. That's because the land area of Camiguin is so small such that a volcanic eruption can affect the whole province. But don't be afraid to visit the island of Camiguin. Known as the Island Born of Fire, it has 7 volcanoes and several volcanic domes. Besides natural wonders and historical riches, Camiguin's uniqueness lies in its varied terrain, foreseen natural environment, and rustic setting. Of course, it is the home of our favorite pastel of Filipino soft Montieva fillings and the sweet pebble-like fruit, lanzones.
Learn more about the process of volcanic eruption and the different eruptive styles of volcanoes by performing these activities on page 12 to 13 of your module.
Volcanic eruption is often associated with both positive and negative effects. Many Filipinos are still living nearby volcanoes, though they know the hazards during volcanic eruptions. Why settlements are still found near volcanoes? Why is it very important for us to listen to the updates given by FIVOLs? Exactly! The geothermal energy of volcano can power technological system for nearby communities. Soil near active volcanoes is often rich in mineral deposits and provides excellent farming opportunities. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or FIVOLs, is an agency in the Philippines that is mandated to provide information on the activities of volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunamis, as well as specialized services for the protection of life and property and in support to sustainable development. So there! You have just learned that volcanic eruption is a natural phenomenon which happens when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. Volcanoes erupt differently and are described according to the different styles of eruption: phreatic, phreatomagmatic, strombolian, Hawaiian, Volcanian, and Plinian eruption. And now, challenge yourself to do this 5-item quiz. I will read the question and choices once. You are only given 5 seconds to write the letter of the correct answer for each question. You will be given 1 gold coin for every correct answer. Are you ready? ScienceKwelans, let's play
ScienceKwela quiz!
Question number 1. When the pressure exceeds the strength of the overlying rocks, what usually occurs in the volcano? A. Earthquake. B. Fracture. C. Tsunami. D. None of these. The correct answer is letter B. Fracture. Question number 2. Which of the following types of eruption is characterized by a periodic weak to violent eruption characterized by fountain lava? A. Phreatic. B. Plinian. C. Strombolian. D. Volcanian. The correct answer is letter C. Strombolian. Question number 3. Which of the following types of eruption is characterized by a steam-driven eruption as the hot rocks come in contact with water? Letter A. Phreatic. B. Plinian. C. Strombolian. D. Volcanian. The correct answer is Letter A. Phreatic. Question number 4. Volcanoes are described according to the style of eruption. Which of the following is a small to moderate explosive eruption, lasting seconds to minutes, characterized by tall eruption columns that reach up to 20 kilometers high with pyroclastic flow and asphalt tephra? A. Phreatic. B. Phreatomagmatic. C. Volcanian. D. Strombolian. The correct answer is letter C. Volcanian. Question number 5. You are a volcanologist from Bicol. On your way back to your hometown, you saw the eruption of Mayun volcano characterized by violent and excessive ejection of pyroclastic debris and other volcanic materials. Which eruptive style is described in the scenario? A. Phreatic. B. Plinian. C. Strombolian. D. Volcanian. The correct answer is letter B. Plinian. Very well done, ScienceKwelans! I am happy that you were able to challenge yourself to do the ScienceKwela quiz. And now, let's add all the gold coins you have collected from the activity. How many gold coins have you collected? For all the efforts that you do, I will give you another fantastic badge! As ScienceKwelans, whether you live or don't in a place where a volcano is present, it is important that you are aware of the natural hazards such as volcanic eruptions. And why? That is to prepare yourselves and demonstrate the ways to ensure preparedness when disasters happen. Remember, the key to effective disaster prevention is planning. For your assignment, create a preparedness plan that we should do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. Perform this activity with other family members or friends who are available to join you. Spread awareness and save lives using social media platforms. Share your volcanic eruption preparedness plan to the online world by posting it in Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by using #IamScienceKwela You did well today, ScienceKwelans! I am excited to see all your outputs in our next episode. And that ends our Wonder Adventure today. But don't worry! More science adventures are coming your way. ScienceKwelans, life is filled with uncertainty, especially at times like this. Indeed, we are dealing with uncertainty during the coronavirus pandemic, and maybe some of you are anxious, worried, and confused. But let's face life head-on, for it's a collision that we cannot ignore. We are in this together, and we will get through this together. Always remember, here in Alang-Alang National High School, Grade 9 Science is fun. This has been your ScienceKwela Explorer, Teacher Jai. See you next time for another episode of fun and exciting water science adventures, only here on ScienceKwela.